We all know that Indian judiciary is independent, but there are 3 points which ensures the independence of Indian judiciary. सबसे पहला, separation of powers. The Constitution of India, भारत का संविधान बहुत clearly define करता है separation of powers and functions between 3 branches of government, that is legislative, executive and judiciary. The working and decision making of judiciary is totally free from these branches of government. Second, appointment of judges. The appointment of judges, especially to the higher judiciary, is carried out through an internal system called collegium system. There is no political or executive intervention in the appointment of judges, which is so unlike other democracies of the world. और इसी के चलते सरकार और जुडिशरी में हमेशा वाद विवाद की संभावनाएं बनी रहती हैं. Third is removal of judge and security of tenure. The removal of a judge is not an easy but a tricky process. It has to be carried out through impeachment, supported by a special majority in parliament. Generally, a judge is removed only when he has completed his tenure. और इन्हीं सब protective shields की वजह से हमारी जुडिशरी एकदम बिंदास होके मस्त होके डिसीजन सुनाती है and protects the constitution of our India. Now in the comment section, can you tell me the father-son duo who have had the privilege of being the Chief Justice of India?